Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 5.3 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's go down to the settings, scroll all the way down to system, tap on the advanced and choose reset options, where you will find the factory reset option, so erase all data, factory reset. Click on it and here it will give you a message what this will basically remove now, and really quick way it removes everything. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, maybe some photos, music or some user data, make sure you back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently, and well, there is no way of getting it back from there. So if you have already created a backup of it, you have it stored somewhere safe, you can progress further, or well, assuming you don't want to back it up, you can also progress further. So click on delete all data, again delete all data, and this will begin the process. Now this will probably take about like 2 to 5 minutes, I assume, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is finished and visible on the screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.